Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We are going to be making tie-dye cupcakes today, and I thought I'd show you how we do it. It's really colorful and fun and so easy. We're using a box mix to do it, so it's simple and basic. You just do like a few extra steps to make it extra special. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our box mix as the instructions state, and then we're going to move on. I will show you the first step after that. All right, so I've got our batter. It's a funfetti mix, that's why there's a little sprinkles. I put it into 3 different bowls because we're gonna do 3 different colors tie-dye. You could do however many colors you want, and then we're gonna add our food color and mix it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do just a few drops. We're gonna do, I think, blue, orange, and red. I don't know, my daughter keeps picking the colors, but you just stir it up, and then you can add more food coloring till you get the color that you want. This is pretty vibrant. Okay, so I've got my 3 colors here, and I'm going to show you how you do it. You just take a little spoonful at a time, and you pour a spoonful of each color into your paper. You don't have to do it any certain way or anything, and you want to fill the papers up to about halfway, just like with regular cupcakes, and get a mix of your colors in. And then you want to take something sharp. I'm using a knife. A toothpick is really best, but I don't have toothpicks. And then you want to just kind of go in and swirl them a little bit. There's no exact science to this, but just kind of mix them a little bit like that. And here they are all done. They kind of look like Miami Dolphins cupcakes. The pink is hidden underneath there. So I'm just gonna bake these to the specifications of the box mix I'm using, and they will be ready to decorate. All right, so now I'm gonna prepare the frosting. I'm just using canned frosting, but I wanna turn it colors just like the cupcakes. I've divided it into 3 bowls and then just a little food coloring to mix up each one. I'm gonna do the same colors that we did the cake. Is my tongue blue? Oh, only a little bit. I've been sneaking frosting. So I've got my 3 frosting colors. I'm gonna show you now how I get it all combined. I'm gonna put it in like a gallon freezer bags. I don't have like frosting tips and stuff like that. This is what I always do when I frost cupcakes. I just use a freezer bag. So I just spooned the frosting into this freezer bag. It got a little mixed up, but that's gonna be fine. It's gonna come out pretty. And then I'm gonna cut off the tip right here with some scissors. This is what I do to kind of mimic a frosting bag. Okay, so we have a lot of cupcakes to eat now. We made 24, but I'm not mad about it. These are really fun. My daughter had a great time making them. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try this. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the red subscribe button so you see more videos like this. I do really easy DIY stuff like this every single week. I will see you guys next time. Bye.